Hello, so today we will be unboxing this bookends that I got from Amazon. It's called the Clipco 6-piece set, so it's 12 pieces, 7-inch bookends. And I was a little skeptical about this because it's super cheap for 12 pieces. I think I only paid, let me just check, hold on. I think I paid like $8 for it. I'm not sure, but I'll check later and I'll note it how much I paid for the $8. And mostly some sets come in like just one set and it's $8. So let's see here. I'll test it with outside in our bookshelves and see if it works. So this actually is a pretty heavy set. So this is how it looks like. 7-inch. And there's like
7-inch.
There's a thing in the bottom so it won't slide. It's like a foam. So it won't slide, and it comes in there's a bunch. But let's go try outside and see if it works with the books. It seems really very sturdy. So you can see if I try to bend it, it doesn't bend easily. So that is the bookends that I got from Amazon. It's called Clipco bookends. So let's try to test it outside. We have a couple books in here. Let's see here. There's some in here and some over here. So there it is. It actually held up very well, as you can see. And last test. The book under this thing. And some more books. Push it. And there you go. It works very well.